Welcome to Python for Web Development. In this course, you will learn how to turn your Python skill into real-world website and web applications. Let's begin with one important question. Why Python for Web? Hi, I'm Rusang Limbu and I'm excited to guide you through this journey. Python is not just for data science or scripting. It is also a powerful tool for building websites. But why do so many developers choose Python for web development? Python's simplicity. Python is known for its clean and readable syntax. That means you can focus on building features, not fighting with the language. Powerful web framework. Frameworks like Flask and Django give you everything you need to build modern dynamic web apps, from simple portfolio to large scalable platforms. Use community and resources. Python has one of the largest community of developers. So whether you are stuck with a bug or looking for a plugin, help just a search away. Career and freelance opportunity. Python web development is high demand, from freelancing gig to full-time job at top tech companies. Python opens doors. Throughout this course, you will not only learn how to use Python to build real web apps, you will also create your very own portfolio website by the end of this course. In the next lesson, we will take a quick tour of core web technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and how Python fit into the big picture. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.